Hi, have you ever looked at an empty glass bottle and thought, maybe this can become something beautiful? Today I'm going to show you a super easy DIY bottle painting idea that anyone can try at home, literally anyone. All I need was a simple glass bottle, a little paint, and some creativity. Like this. I put yellow color on the inside the bottle. I saw it somewhere. It was super easy and it will save you most of the time. So I applied it. Okay. Then I started painting the bottle with bright colors, skipping the strokes. Simple and fun. Like super easy. Okay. No complicated design. Just an easy way to transform waste into a home decor. In a few minutes, within a few minutes, the plain bottle turned into a colorful piece of art like this. Then I put white color in it to make some flowers. Then leaf, obviously. After doing flowers, you have to put the leaves, no? They are friends. That's why I have put it. So you can make it like this. If you want to make it, you can try at home. It is super easy, like I said now. This is super easy. You can use it as a flower vase, table centerpiece, even as a gift. This is DIY not only recycles but also adds beauty to your home. Okay, so if you are looking for easy DIY ideas, bottle painting hacks, or quick home decor projects, this is perfect for you. Try it out and let your creativity shine through. Okay, check the result. It's so cool and so easy to make. You can make it.